Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today, well, this episode anyway, I'm gonna make the engine mounts so I can finally let it go from the roof, from the hangar. Yeah, I'm not gonna talk that much. I'm just gonna get on to work. Yes, it's just a tiny bit too big. Just grind that one down. That will fit. Bleeding good. Yeah, let's see. Let's see. Oh, this is so beautiful. Yay! This is going to be perfect. Yeah. Just perfecto. If you've come here to look at beautiful welds, please leave. I can't weld. Well, I can get two pieces stuck together, but looks like a drunk monkey did this. Yeah, it will hold, I hope. I'm all shook up. The one is coming along. You have gold, you have everything, you have gold. Well, sadly the camera died while I was making the engine mount, so I don't have any film finishing them, but I have film when they are ready. So let's see how they turned out. So here's the engine mount. I'm just gonna do a slot. Wait a second, I got pen. I'm gonna do, can you see this? Like this. Never mind this one. I'm gonna cut like so. So the engine rubbers will go down properly. They are on an angle, so I don't have to unscrew the engine rubbers from the actual engine. I can just lower it down. I'm gonna drill a hole and cut between them on both sides. And this is for ventilation. Like that. Smoke. I'll just move you a bit so you don't get punished by the angle grinder. Here, hold that. I don't want to cut myself next time I'm removing the engine, so feels good. Feels good. Feels good. Is it called engine mounts or engine brackets? I should say engine brackets sounds better. Well, you tell me, I don't know. Yeah, I would say that's a job done. Actually completely done for the engine. Brackets. Brackets. I like brackets, yeah. So, oh, I have this. So yeah, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye! Oh, sorry.